Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today we're going to do some more decluttering and it's arrived, so I'm going to spin you around, and what we're going to clear out today is my notebooks, books, anything like that. It's like a bookshelf in the corner. I'll show you, I'll give you a quick tour of it now, nothing much. And then what I'm going to do is I've ordered a trolley and I'm going to start organising everything in there, get organised so I know where everything is, and then I'm just going to put all my books back on there nice and neat. So let me just take you into the other room and show you what it looks like for now. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. It's an absolute mess. So we're going to get that organised. Excuse the curtains, it's not my taste, but in rented accommodation, so we can't do much about that. But yeah, we need to get rid of some stuff and get this all organised. Okay, so this is what I've ordered, and it told me it wasn't going to get delivered till a week, but it's come today, so I'm quite happy about that. Let me see, let's pull it out. It's going to make such a mess, isn't it? Right, I'm going to stick you on time lapse and then we will be right back. Okay guys, so I've got you on the floor now, and I'm going to try and sort this out. If you notice my flowery bottoms, yes, I am in my PJs. Like I said on my Instagram stories, I only get dressed halfway up because I'm at home. So yeah, that's why I am half dressed in clothes and then the bottom half is my pyjama. But anyway, let's get back into this. Okay guys, so here's the finished tray, lid on the top, and that's secured it in place, looking very ombre-y. I love it. So now I'm gonna go and take you into the other room, be on time lapse and get everything clean and chuck away any rubbish and recycle things that need to go. So yeah, we're gonna get some organisation going on in here. Okay guys, so this is the finished. I've brought it back into the beauty room, and then these 4 drawers, I've got 4 notebooks coming, and each one's dedicated to those drawers, so they have left on their own. And then I've just separated all my notebooks in all these, and then got some little backdrop things that I can use, and I'm going to put my camera in here as well, out the way. Chargers, wires, all that in that one, and then there's just a load of miscellaneous stuff in there as well. Okay, so that's what's in there, and in fact I'm going to take these out and these, because I'll put them back over there with the other stuff, and then I'm sure I could squeeze something else in that. And then on the top here I've got my stationery calculator and my little pads of things to do on there, and that's it. So there you have it guys, clean and tidy. Oh, and I'll show you the finished bookcase as well. Just take you over here one sec. So there is the finished case, nice and neat. Obviously I didn't know where to put those files, but they've all tidied up and everything like that out the way. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for tuning in guys, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like me to do some more decluttering, organising. Maybe I could organise my makeup drawer, you know, put them nice and neat instead of just chucking everything in. But anyway, yeah, have a nice weekend guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.